bright yellow, bold flavor, and a reputation that spans centuries, turmeric tea isn't just trendy, it's transformative. But what actually happens if you drink it every single day? And today, we diving deep into what happens when you make this elixir a part of your daily routine. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's explore the fascinating science behind this golden beverage. Number 1. Unleashing the natural anti-inflammatory power within. Now let's unveil turmeric's secret weapon against inflammation, curcumin. This compound not only gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color, but also packs a serious anti-inflammatory punch. Daily doses of turmeric tea can help soothe joint pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, and even ease symptoms of arthritis. Think of it as your personal wellness warrior fighting inflammation from the inside out. Number 2. Giving your brain a boost and enhancing mental clarity. Did you know that curcumin has also been linked to improved memory and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's? By incorporating turmeric tea into your daily routine, you might just be giving your brain the boost it needs to stay sharp and focused. Imagine starting your day with a cup of tea that not only warms your body, but also invigorates your mind. It's the perfect companion for those moments when clarity and focus are essential. Number 3. Unveiling turmeric tea's heart health hero status. When it comes to your heart health, turmeric tea might just be your new best friend. This golden beverage can help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's like having a personal heart health cheerleader, all thanks to the active compounds in turmeric. But wait, is it all sunshine and rainbows? As wonderful as turmeric tea is, it's important to know that too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to unwanted side effects. We'll dive into the potential downsides of turmeric tea so you can enjoy it safely. Turmeric tea is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, here are a few things to keep in mind. Some people may experience mild digestive issues such as bloating, nausea, or diarrhea when consuming large amounts of turmeric. Additionally, turmeric can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners. If you have a medical condition or taking medications, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before adding turmeric tea to your daily routine. Brewing the perfect cup, a step-by-step guide. Now that you're aware of the potential downsides, let's get back to brewing the perfect cup of turmeric tea. Here's a simple guide to help you get started. Start by gathering your ingredients. You will need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which can help boost turmeric's absorption, hot water, and any additional ingredients you desire, such as honey, lemon, or ginger. Add the turmeric powder and black pepper to a cup or teapot. Pour hot water over the mixture and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey, lemon, or ginger to taste, and voila, your golden elixir is ready. Final thoughts. Incorporating turmeric tea into your daily routine can indeed be a game-changing decision for your health. The anti-inflammatory, brain-boosting, and heart-healthy benefits are truly remarkable. Just remember to keep it balanced, listen to your body, and be mindful of the recommended amounts. Why not give it a try for a week and see how you feel? Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried turmeric tea? How has your experience been? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're as excited about turmeric tea as we are. Stay healthy, stay curious, and we'll see you next time with more wellness insights that really work. Until then, cheers to your health and well-being.